This isn't the Manhattan of billboards and Broadway. This is the city beneath the gloss where stories linger on fire escapes and rusted doors. Here, in the bustle of Chinatown and the hush of Little Italy, the city remembers itself. It's in the rhythm of daily lives, a symphony of sidewalk stories. Deals once whispered in back rooms, now echoes on the walls. Plays out under open skies, in games that matter to no one and to everyone. The kitchens that never close, the tables waiting like old friends. But the city isn't stuck in time, it's in motion. Always. This block, that corner, those faces, all part of a living story. Not in history books, but in footsteps. Still breathing, still undefeated.